Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today finally I'm going to do a Shein haul. Like, this is the first Shein haul. I guess this is one of the first, or this is the first actually fashion haul on my channel. I love buying clothes just like any other girl. So finally I'm doing a haul on my channel because a lot of you wanted to know, if Shein, has cash on delivery. How's my experience with them, like, and the delivery time, and extra charges and everything, as well as what all I get from Shein, because I buy most of my stuff from Shein. I've been addicted to them since this year only. Keep on buying things from them. They are so cute and so affordable. If you want to know what I got from Shein and tips and tricks to shop from Shein, then let's get started with the video. Yes, the two things that I want to mention before I get started with the haul is, first, that this is not a collaboration. I'm not collaborating with them, so this is not a sponsored video. I wish this was, because I buy a lot of things from them, but I'm not that lucky yet. The thing is that the top that I'm wearing right now is not from Shein. I know a lot of you will have this question whether this is from Shein or not. No, I got this from, I think, Reliance Trends. Because first I'm going to show you something that's very basic. So this is the one. This is like crop top sort of a thing, and I actually wear it inside shirts or jackets. The number one rule of fashion is to store on basics, because basics you can just match with so many outfits and they will save you a day. A statement piece you'll wear once or twice, like I'm done. The skincare video I uploaded, like I think few days back, I was wearing this inside my shirt. This is like really nice. It looks like really flatters my body. One more thing about Shein is, whatever size you are, always buy one size smaller than that. Like, I generally wear L, like large. L is something that fits my body perfectly, and XL is like super comfy for me. So in Shein, what I do is I buy M. All of my clothing, if you see, even this one, all of them are like M, because Shein, the sizes are larger than your original size. So it's tip number one, always buy one size smaller in Shein. At least that's what it works for me, and that's how I get clothes that fit me. The thing that I got from Shein is something I'm yet to wear, and this is this, again, a yellow crop top. It's so vibrant. This is the one. These days, applique on your clothes is just, the trend is coming back. So I'm all about the trend. I'm all about, yellow. Yellow is one of my favorite colors. In school also, my team's color was yellow. So yes, and it's like a front knot, crop top. Very comfortable, and I don't know if you can see, but it's a M. I actually had two hauls from Shein, for normal clothing, not like winter clothes. I got a lot of, winter hoodies from Shein as well. But I actually got, I actually did two hauls from Shein, 2 to 3 hauls from Shein this year. So, like, I have been buying this since February, January, something like that. So I have already worn all of them, or else I wouldn't be doing the video. I'm one of those people who doesn't like showing off her outfit pictures before I wear them. I got this top. This is like one of my favorites. Sophisticated, but still, it has a hint of that, youthfulness. So my style is all about that. I'm very comfortable, with showing too much of my neck area or my back, because I don't have that body yet. But for me, I like something that's a little sophisticated but still shows a little bit of skin. So I really love this, and this is very comfortable. It has, so the neck is all crochet, and then this is how the top is. And yeah, this is how it looks like. It's again a M, and yeah, this is the top. I really love it. I have to wear a cami or something inside, because it's a really sheer material, but perfect for summer. Like, I live for mango yellow and mustard yellow. It flatters all skin tones. Pair of shades, and actually I have another shades from Shein which I wear daily. So this is something like, retro is coming back, the 90s are coming back, the 60s are coming back, the old times are coming back in fashion, at least. So yes, I got this one, and you will see every other blogger rocking this right now. This, then red ones. I already have a pink one and the other colors, so I went for the yellow, and I don't regret it. So this is so Zenith Aman types, and it comes with a very nice case. And yeah, I really like the aviator shape on my face. It looks so nice. I really like this. One more thing is that the glares from Shein, they don't give me a headache. So it's made of a good quality, because generally glares, sometimes the plastic is bad, or whatever it is made of, fiber, whatever, it starts giving me a headache if it's not made of proper material. But this one, it doesn't really do that. So I don't know if it's because of the material or something else, like of the stuff that it is made of, but it didn't give me that. So I'm obsessed with applique and everything, so I got this one. And yeah, it's in blue in color, and it fits me perfectly. It's again in M, and it's a pretty top. There you go. It's not crop, but you know, it's short in length. So this is the top that I got, and I really like this one. Like the material, these materials are very comfortable. So you know, matter of fact, I can't wear, you know, heavy clothing like, you know, jardosi and those, you know, heavy designer things for too long. I start suffocating. My skin, you know, cannot take that. I have a very sensitive skin all over my body. So this is my style. I really love it. It has, you know, applique, and the colors are like something that I've been eyeing for so long, but I didn't have the guts to wear it. I don't know why. I have worn, you know, colored pants in the past. I do wear, you know, like things other than denims, like other than jeans, but I was a little bit, you know, skeptical about buying this because I wasn't sure if this would, you know, look nice. Although, you know, one more fashion trick is that if you're wearing stripes, like, you know, those vertical stripes, they make you look, you know, they make your legs look longer. Even for your body, will make you look slimmer. Like if you're wearing stripes and you want to look a little bit, you know, leaner, then go for the vertical ones. The stripes will make you look a little bit leaner than, you know, horizontal stripes. So after a lot of thoughts, I finally got this. As soon as I posted a photo on Instagram wearing these, everyone commented, everyone complimented rather these pants. These are like palazzos. Not exactly, because they aren't that flowy. I really love this. Again, it's so retro, and you can just put in your belt and style it your way. So they do have, you know, those little bell hooks. So yeah, this is the one, and I really love these pants. I was not very confident when I was buying this, and I was like, I'll probably return it. But once I wore it, I was like, bring it on. I'm gonna wear this a lot now. Something which I wore like so much I can't even tell you guys. This is a little loose. As I said, you know, whatever size you wear, buy one size smaller, or else it'll be, you know, loose all over your body. This does not fit me perfectly. It's loose on my body. So this is in a size L, and this is, you know, a pearl embellished top. And again, pearls are so in trend right now, and again, you have seen me, I think, wear this a lot of times. Has like full sleeves, as you can see. And for the spring, you know, like not exactly for the spring, because spring people are like all about, you know, pinks and orange and corals and stuff, but actually got it, you know, like we don't have spring in India, but that transition, you know, when it's not too hot but it's not even too cold, and you know, you are confused. So I got it for those days. And it's not actually a very, you know, like very thick material, so you can even wear it for your summer parties if you want to, especially if you're going to, you know, like a banquet where it's like air conditioned and stuff. So this is the one, and I have a blog post on this, and as I said, I love this. It have 3 more items. Now this is something, again, I was so like skeptical, you know, about buying, but I finally have it, and it's like a statement wear. So this is the one. It's a velvet top, and there you go. I have been eyeing this for more than, I'll say, you know, like 6 to 8 months now. Like as soon as I saw this on Shein last year, I was like, I need it, but I didn't have the confidence. I think that is too heavy or too loud, then, you know, it won't flatter my body. So basics flatter my body a lot because, you know, I have my curves and everything. So basics actually, you know, enhance them rather than, you know, statement pieces. So I think a lot before, you know, wearing statement pieces or buying them. And I was also scared that I'm going to feel super hot after wearing this, but it's nothing like that. And this is so good. Like it had this, you just throw it on top of a black jeans or your black jeggings, and you're good to go. This is how it looks like. Again, I have a blog post, and then the neck, you know, it's like sort of stretchable, and again, this is the size M. The second last thing that I got, I think you guys saw it already, you know, on Instagram as well as few of my videos. And this is something, again, you know, I buy a lot of vibrant colors like yellows, greens, blues, because I have a lot of blacks. Not that I don't love my blacks, but I like playing with colors, especially, you know, in summer. So yeah, this is what I got. Again, This is a M actually, and by one more trick about the size on Shein, not all the M's, and I think most of the sites you will face the same thing, that one item M, if it fits you perfectly, then the other M will not necessarily fit you perfectly. I've seen this a lot, like this one is a M but it's like super loose on me. So this is a top. It actually has embroidery both on the front and the back, so it's really nice. And this is the front. The embroidery is a little more on the front. And the color, oh my god you guys, I really love this color. And fashion tip I'll give you guys, if you're confused, if you don't like accessorizing too much, just like myself, then go for vibrant colors, because a bold color itself will like complete your look. So play with colors, don't be afraid, because you only have one life. Enhances my skin color really well, my brown skin really well. Last was something which I got I think last month, but I haven't really worn it much, and the material is again super light and super comfortable. And look at the prints, it's floral, it's perfect for summer, spring. And yeah, it's a dress. Actually again I have a photo of me wearing this, and the size is, yeah, it's again a M. So I really like clothes that will just fit properly my upper body area, and then it'll just flow from my torso area. It looks really nice. And once again, floral is all girly and chic, and my style is actually that. I don't go for too much of edgy look or something. Even if I go, at least I don't try to wear it on a daily basis, because I have really chubby cheeks. So if I wear too much of edgy stuff, I'll just end up looking like a toddler who's like super angry. I try to dress according to my body, according to my face shape and everything. These lovely sleeves which I really like. These are like so flowy. They don't. Yes guys, these are the clothes that I got from Shein. Let me know which other sites you want me to do hauls from. Me and Shein, they are like sister brands. The same company owns them because they have a lot of similar stuff. So yes guys, let me know which other site you want me to haul next from, or which store or which brand or whatever, because I love buying clothes. Just like any other girls, I love buying clothes, shoes, accessories, everything. What else can I suggest you about Shein? One more trick I can suggest you about Shein is that, which I personally do a lot. If you're planning to buy something from Shein, then make sure that you are buying something that has been reviewed at least by one person, and this can be really receptive. So make sure you're buying something that has reviews for your makeup, shoes, clothes, whatever you buy. Always buy something that has been reviewed and that has like pictures rather. Okay, other thing is that Shein offers I think free delivery over 2600, and I think they charge around 100 or something for cash on delivery. So I always do that, because anyway if you're buying clothes, I buy everything at once. I put everything in my wish list and then I buy everything at once, so that I don't have to like pay extra for shipping, because that doesn't make sense. You're buying one clothing, you're paying shipping, then you're buying another clothing and then you're again paying shipping. So that is like just waste of money. Like keep everything in a wish list, and when you have the money, or if you can save the money, then you can just buy it. And actually Shein has a lot of like for Shein, if they have a special, like they have categories which I really like, stand out or not wear the same things as someone else, then you can even click on the daily new tab and look for something that has arrived that day on Shein, or maybe that week on Shein. And they have a plus size tab, they have swimwear, loungewear, a lot of categories. They have accessories, jewelries, bags, and cushion covers, glares, so many things. So that's all of my tips on Shein. And yes, it ships to India. You don't have to pay customs or anything. I'll always recommend, do not pay with card or with Paytm or whatever. Don't do that. I always prefer for COD. So at least you will not be in that stress that where is my stuff, where is my stuff. At least you know that your money is in your hand. When it comes to you, you can pay it and be all satisfied with it. And about the returning policy, you can immediately like once it's delivered to you, you can immediately click on the return tab, and the delivery partner, like the courier person, will give you a call and they'll come immediately to pick it up. And I think the refund is done in the form of coupons. So these are the few tips that I wanted to share, and let me know if you want me to make more fashion videos, if you want more fashion tips, if you want fashion tips for curvy people and stuff like that. I would love to make that. And yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends and share with everyone else. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. I love you all. Bye bye.